Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how camera Pro mode looks on the TECNO Spark 10. Open the Pro mode, you have to swipe up, just like that, and select the Pro mode. And when you open the Pro mode, let's start from the left side, from this bottom bar. And first we can adjust the exposure compensation by using this parameter, -2 and the +2. The next option, that's the shutter speed. We can set the shutter speed even for the 30 seconds. Next we can find ISO level. Here we can find the white balance. In this place we can manually set up focus range. And right here we can switch the matrix metering. When you go for the upper bar, you can enable flashlight, but you have to charge your phone above the 15%. And here we can also switch the camera aspect ratio. And yeah, that's basically all for this video. Hope you like it.